you're in Texas, that's your home state. Would you look to be in Texas, or would it really not matter since you're already covering 6 other states?
Well, to his point, what I would do is I would look in whatever cluster I'm already in. So there's a lot of merit in having a team in the market that you expand in. So I'm kind of all in the middle of the country.
Right.
And so that's where I would stick. I would say, okay, I'm going to go rogue and maybe go to California for my next concept. I would stay within the territories that I'm in for the span of control, the infrastructure. It's all, and again, I would never buy just one store in a market. I would have to have a cluster. I would have to be able to be expandable to a certain number of locations that could facilitate management in that area.
No, I'm on the hospitality hotel side. Is that a mandate as well, or no?
Yeah, so economies of scale is the name of the game. You're seeing a lot of consolidation in the hotel side, so another big thing that's a little different in the hotel side is you have owner-operators, but then you also have third-party management companies. I'm not sure if that's similar in the QSR side, but what will happen is you will have management companies that will specialize in certain regions, and their entire goal is to do exactly what we were just talking about. You have clusters where your sales manager will be able to not just sell hotel on corner A, but that company is going to be doing projects around the city, and so they're going to want to stay, 20 minutes down the road over here, or across the bridge over there. And so one individual, right? We've talked about rising labor costs ad nauseum. You can't afford that $80,000 sales manager or director of sales for that one hotel. But when they can go and split their time between 2 or 3 assets, it not only gives them a sense of accomplishment that now they've gone from a single unit leader to a territory leader, and it also helps you out because then you're able to kind of distribute those costs. But what I've seen is the really, really big management companies and the single asset owner operators are the ones who are struggling in this day and age. It's that Goldilocks theory where it's not too big, it's not too small. There's a middle point that's just right, and that's it's the only way that you're going to be able to operate efficiently.
Yeah, I have one question for David, and then I want to get back into another question on how we select. David, you've got an airplane and a blank check. Does it really matter where you go?
Well, and again, back to what's been said on different territories. I mean, in my industry, it takes somewhere in the neighborhood of $8 to $10 million to be able to go ahead and support the infrastructure to go into a new market. And if you're starting off with a new site, and just with your cash burn and having to put a salaried person over there, I mean, you could be several $100,000 in overhead expenses before you need your first store open.